How to strafe in Valorant. So strafing in Valorant is pretty easy. So essentially you'll need to click on or click on the opposing movement key that you're using. So let's say if you're going left, basically you're holding on your A key on your keyboard, right? So if you want to strafe, just hold or click on the opposing key, which is letter D on your keyboard. So I'm holding on A, I'm going to click on D, and it will make me stop. And the same goes with when I go right, I'm holding D, and I'll hold A or click on A to stop the movement. So that's basically how strafing works. It'll also work if you're, let's say, moving back. So you're essentially holding S on your keyboard. And if you want to strafe, just simply hold on the opposing movement key, which is W on your keyboard, and just stop and take a shot. So strafing helps you make your shots more accurate since basically shoot since essentially in Valorant if you want to make your shots accurate, you need to stop first and take your shots. So if I move, my shots just go crazy or my bullets just go crazy like that. So if you want to make your shots accurate, you could just simply do the strafing movement right like this. Or what you could also do what others do, which is basically holding their movement key, then just releasing it to stop their movement, then taking a shot. So just like that. And that is basically how strafing works in Valorant.